What is going on, guys? I hope you are having a fantastic day. I am back in California after a crazy road trip from Houston, Texas, where we legitimately almost got hit by a tornado. I'll insert one of the clips right here. First order of business, going to my first ever all Tesla car meet, meeting up with my friend Joey, who just wrapped his Model X Plaid, and also showing you guys the new wheels that I put on the Model S. Imagine doing a rally with like 50 Teslas and just everyone's on autopilot the whole time. That sounds really boring. My boy Joey just wrapped his Model X Plaid and it looks absolutely insane. What's this color called?
Satin Key West.
Tiffany Blue?
3M.
Satin
Blue.
Key West. It actually looks like Key West, Florida. And I'm also really digging the white wheels with the blue center caps.
Thank you.
All right, on to the Tesla meet. This is about to be ridiculous. What are we doing? Also, what do you guys think of this logo? I'm thinking about switching to this on my car. I gotta say, that does look pretty damn cool. Easily the funniest part of this Tesla meet, other than it being a Tesla meet, which is kind of funny in itself, is the fact that it's being hosted at a supercharger. So I guess we're about to all go and charge our cars together. But there should be some really cool Teslas there. I'm kind of excited to see what people have done with their cars.
We're gonna do another roadster. And it says on it, greetings from space. Greetings from space.
Oh, hey guys, Vehicle Virgins here. We're at the Tesla Meetup. I hope you put this in the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and browse the channel.
Before I show off the new wheels, it's important that I debadge the Tesla Plaid. Watch this. All right, now we're pushing T for sure. And just like that, we are done. The Tesla laid, ladies and gentlemen. How Joey shows up to car meets. This is what happens when an electric BMW shows up to a Tesla meet. Everyone's freaking out. Well, of course, as luck would have it, the second I'm trying to film a reveal video for you guys, it starts downpouring in Los Angeles, which really only happens about 5 times per year. We've got a break in the rain. I'm gonna get this car washed up and then take it to probably stunt road, since that was the first time I ever actually got to drive a Tesla Model S Plaid and show you guys how stoked I am on the new wheel setup. I gotta say, this has to be my favorite set of wheels I've ever put on a car aftermarket. Traditionally, I like the monoblock style of wheel better. I think it's cleaner, but I went for something totally different. I got a multi-piece wheel and I went for different finishes than I ever would have imagined I'd enjoy. And then it turned out to be my favorite thing of all time. So I can't wait to actually show you guys what I put on the car. Damn, can you imagine how much gas this guy's about to have to pay? I really don't know why car washes are fun, but I swear they are. Woo! In reality, the only fun part about this car wash is the fact that it doesn't have that track that drives your car by itself. You just drive the car in and there's nothing that can damage your wheels, particularly when you're about to film a wheel review. Why is wheel reveal so hard to say? Wheel reveal. And now all of a sudden it's an absolutely gorgeous day. I don't get what just happened. It is actually gorgeous out here today in the Malibu Canyons. Check it out, 11,665 miles on the Plaid. Man, I have had some crazy experiences and road trips in the Plaid over the last 5 months. Almost 12,000 miles in 5 months is a decent amount on any car, particularly since the majority of the miles I put on cars are on other people's cars when I'm reviewing them. And of course, I had some road trips in the McLaren and the Shelby GT500 as well. But I wanted to talk about the Tesla for a little bit. The Tesla, when I first reviewed it, I was blown away. The performance was insane. The interior was so much better than before. I liked the design language, but the biggest appeal was I wanted to try out what it was like to own an electric car. I'd never owned an electric vehicle before, and of course it's hard to turn down the fact that it had a 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. Honestly, I was a bit nervous. Obviously, I'm a car nut, and internal combustion engines have my heart through and through. So having a car that's silent, I kind of thought, you know, I'm gonna get bored of this thing in about a month. I'm gonna floor it a bunch of times, it's gonna be cool, and then honestly, it's gonna have no luster after that. But it couldn't be further from the truth. I have fallen in love with this car more and more every time I drive it. Its ability to do insane road trips in extreme comfort. That autopilot is truly a work of art. The speaker system's amazing, the leather feels fantastic, the interior is easily cleanable because of the materials that they use. The steering wheel is a little weird, but I've gotten used to it, and eventually I think I am going to switch it out with a carbon fiber aftermarket wheels to see what it'd be like driving-wise with a normal steering wheel in the Plaid. But honestly, I'm so impressed with this car. I thought I was gonna get rid of it realistically in about 6 months, and now I honestly can't see myself living without an electric sedan like this. Maybe they'll come up with the Plaid Plus 4.0 and it's got 3,000 horsepower that comes out a year from now, and I'll upgrade to that one in the future. This is hilarious. It was bright and sunny and now it's so foggy at the top of Stunt you can barely see. Oh my gosh. Some serious debris in the road from the rain. Well guys, without further ado, here are the new wheels on my Tesla Plaid.
The way I found you.
Well guys, here she is on 21-inch signature wheels, and I am absolutely in love with how it turned out. These wheels are called the Signature SV304Ss. They are forged, they're extremely lightweight, they actually weigh less than the factory wheels, and I absolutely love the way they look. I went with 21s because I think that size looks fantastic on the Tesla Model S, and the offset that Signature was able to do is impressive to say the least. They fit so well under those fenders. Particularly because the car is blue, I wanted to do some sort of wheel that stood out. Going with black or just pure silver felt a little bit boring to me, so I wanted to take a risk, and this is what I went with. It's got a polished exterior lip, which looks amazing, particularly when it's rolling at nighttime. It really stands out. And then it's got a royal gold face. So in the dark and at nighttime when there's not a lot of light, it actually kind of looks like one giant silver wheel. But in the direct sunlight, and if you catch it at the right angle, you notice that it's something special. I just think the contrast between that polished silver and the royal gold looks so darn awesome. With the intuitive lowering links, look at the fitment of that front wheel. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I honestly think these wheels transformed the entire look of the car. Now it looks like a tuner Tesla instead of your run-of-the-mill family dad sedan. It's funny, I've followed Signature Wheel for a while now. Traditionally, I knew them as a Lamborghini wheel company. Back when I had Ellie, the green supercharged Huracan, I was actually looking into getting Signature wheels for that car. Now, long story short, fast forward to 2022, when I got the Tesla Model S Plaid, I noticed a handful of people were putting signatures on their Teslas. And then when I looked at the wheels they had some unbelievably cool options that I couldn't wait to try out. I ended up meeting with them in person to discuss the offset and the look I was going for, and the end result is this right here. If you guys are looking for some epic new wheels for your car, whether you've got a Tesla Model S Plaid, a Lamborghini Huracan, or whatever, Signature Wheels is the way to go. Email Jamie at signaturewheels.com. I've got his email in my description below. And use VV in the description or write vehicle version somewhere in the email, and you'll actually get a special discount to get the best deal possible on the Signature Wheels. And for those of you who do end up getting some Signature Wheels, send a picture of your car to my Instagram at vehicle versions. I want to see what you guys come up with. Honestly, couldn't be more stoked on the way the car turned out. Before I put these wheels on, I was thinking, man, what color should I wrap it? What should I do with the car? And honestly, I think the wheels fit with the blue so well, I'm honestly considering not wrapping the car whatsoever. Although I do have some ideas in mind on some colors that I think would look pretty cool. Let me know in the comments section below. And I'm curious, guys, do you like the wheels? Do you hate them? Let me know, be brutally honest in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Make sure you got your notification bell turned on because we've got some crazy GT500 content coming out soon. All right, guys, see you next video.